Hey YouTube, it's your girl Jaleisha V here again with a silk press video. So I'm starting my hair off with old straight hair and I'm bringing it to new popping straight hair. So this is my curly hair. As you can see, it is a little damaged on the ends. I did straighten my hair about 3 weeks ago, but it was a complete fail. So I'm here to retry this one more time. And it should be way better this time. So it's like I said, I have a little heat damage on the ends just because of the products that I used the last time were not good for my hair and they did not work well. So this time I'm here to try a brand new things, and let me know if you like it at the end. Subscribe. My hair is dripping all over my shirt. So this is my freshly washed hair. I actually straightened my hair like 3 weeks ago. So as you see, I have like a little kind of heat damage on the bottom here on this side. I really don't have it on this side, but like last time I told y'all, I used trash products, trash flour, so it was a freaking fail. And I'm kind of upset about it. So this is my own fault. So this time I went out and bought new products, better quality products. I bought a new flat iron to see how it works. So okay, we're going to see how this goes. So to start out, I'm going to just section off my hair. I'm gonna do one section at the top. I'm gonna split it half and half, so one top section. And I already showed you what kind of shampoo I used. Just all better products, cause y'all, it was a fail. Okay. Bam. Then I'm gonna split that back into parts. So I'm just using this little fake diamond brush I got, I think from the Beauty Supply. It's not a real diamond brush, but it looks like a diamond brush. And I'm going to take this Kenra blow dry spray. I did get this from Ulta. I saw it on the Glam Twins channel and their hair always come out good. So I decided I was going to buy this. It was expensive, I ain't gonna lie to you. But so supposedly it's like a heat protectant and it's supposed to make your blow dry go by quickly. So I'm gonna blow. Okay, 3 squirts. And as y'all can see, my ends are all full, like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to cut these ends. They are so bad. Like, I need to cut off like this much. Okay, so now it's time to blow dry the front of my hair. The back, this blow dry spray, y'all, is bomb. Like, my hair is way softer than it would be if I didn't use it. Because normally, I just use like a regular heat protectant and my hair is like so like just dry. It just feels dry. I don't even feel moisturized, but like, I think this blow dry spray really helped. That my hair's a lot softer. Okay, so I finally finished blow drying and I got it as straight as I could. It is much softer than what it normally would be, and I know it's only because of this blow dry spray from Kenra. Get this if you have a problem. If your flat irons don't come out good, try this. It might really help, because I think that this is gonna make a huge difference in my results. So yeah, this is just my blow dry hair. Okay, so now let's get the flat iron. So the flat iron that I bought is this Infinity Pro Conair. It's rainbow titanium plates. I wanted to get the Babyliss one, but y'all, it's like $139, and this was on sale for $31, and it got titanium plates too. So I decided to risk it and get this one first, see if it works. And if this don't work, then I'm just gonna, you know, take my L and buy a $150 flat iron. But I really don't want to, so that's why I got this one. That's why I got this one, to make sure I can't find a cheaper option, because y'all know I am not trying to buy no $150 flat iron. Like, girl. And if anybody watched Jasmine Brown video she just posted with her flat iron routine, y'all, that flat iron is like $270, something crazy. I saw that also, and I said, hell, I just said, nah, I ain't gonna be able to buy that right now. I ain't gonna be able to buy that right now. So I got this Living Proof frizz-free nourishing oil. I also started on Glam Twins. Y'all gonna be like, girl, did you buy everything they have on there? Yes, I did. That's gonna take one squirt. I just bought, you know, the things that look like were essentials that they used, so I could try to use the same. And hopefully, this smells so good. And hopefully this all works, because yeah, I just hope this works. This flat iron is 1 3/4 of an inch, so I tried to get a pretty thick flat iron just so I could do more sections at a time. Okay, let's see. So that looks pretty good. Oh yeah, this is much better than my last flat iron. Okay, so this is how far I've gotten. I have to let my camera charge a little bit, so I just did this much while I was waiting. And as y'all can see, my hair has gotten so much longer than what it used to be. This probably, so these products like this is literally so much better than the last time I tried to fire my hair, which was not that long ago, like a month ago. Not even that long, like 3 weeks. Cause this is my first time washing my hair. I washed it straight, so I didn't like let it breathe or anything. My ends are not great, as we can see. I need to go get them trimmed, but I'm not gonna do that today because I have things to do. So Yeah, well, I might try to go get them trimmed, but I don't really have a place to go necessarily to get them trimmed, so I would just have to go somewhere random, which I don't know if I really want to do that. So I'm just taking 1 pump of this living proof oil. I'm really trying to focus it. I think it's something Okay, so this is how my hair turned out. As you can see, you guys, like, super straight. Like, I don't think my hair has ever gotten this straight since it's been like longer than like here. And I would definitely give it to these products and this flat iron, this living proof Fred's Free Nourishing Oil and Kenra blow dry spray and this popping flat iron. Y'all get this flat iron, like. And I swear I just bought that on the whim. Like I said, I was going to buy the $150 Babyliss flat iron, and I saw that one. I was like, I'm gonna try that first because I'm not trying to spend $150. So, y'all, look how straight my hair has gotten. Of course, my ends still need to be clipped, but I just can't do it myself, and I need to go somewhere let them do it because y'all see my ends are like raggedy, but my hair is like so nice. Girl, stiff wear, stiff wear, stiff wear. Like, y'all, look at this. Like, stiff wear. Yeah, so like once I get my ends clipped, I feel like it'll look so good. But yeah, that's probably not gonna happen today. Well, I might try to go today, but we'll see. So, guys, give this video a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. I know my last straightening video that I did on my sister did really well. So, you know, this is for people who want to see a different hair texture. I didn't do the silk wrap thing today just because I feel like I don't really need the silk wrap thing. It's pretty okay the way it is. When I wrap it tonight, that'll be my silk wrap. And plus I don't have any plastic wrap, which is what you need to do it. But I might do it a little later. If I go get some plastic wrap, I might do it later. But yeah, so give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you turn the notification bell on and subscribe to my channel for more hair videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.